I assume that at this point you've gone through the documentation and you've seen that the application is for the Mayor of Gotham or any other member of the senior management team. So John the Mayor is trying to keep his pulse on the city, and the way he does this in part is by doing a number of surveys. These surveys help him to get a feel for let's say what his citizens are thinking and the businesses that his city has. Each survey is comprised of a number of questions, as you can see. In this case, 3 questions. He also has the ability to make notes, observations, if you like, of the surveys, and then also just associate some actions with that. These 2 comments are associated with the emergency services survey, and so we're going to drill down into that. Here you have the survey itself, and you can see that there were just questions around the 3 main services that the city runs. Health services, as you can see, did really well. They had a very good feedback from the respondents. The police services, well, there was we haven't put in a comment for that, so let's just have a look at how they did. So there were 36% were excellent and 48 were okay. So let's just flag that and commend the police department. Just keying in a comment and an action associated with that, and this will trickle up onto the overview page. Right, so we have 4 different rating mechanisms which result in different colors, and we put the percentage in there. So that's the police department now rated, and you can see there's a comment and an action associated with that. Right, now we're going to go into the environmental survey. Click on question 1, and the first question was really trying to understand from the citizens what their major concern was. So the answers were the quality of the air, congestion in the roads, public transport, and just green spaces. You can see there's a big concern around the quality of the air, so let's just flag that up. I'm just going to paste some text I already had there, and let's just type in an action associated with that. We bought some emission devices, and we're going to use those to just increase our measuring of emissions in different areas, especially the industrial area. Just going to flag that as a concern, and just again key in a percentage which will be used for the marker chart on the overview page. Looking at question 2, just awareness of initiatives associated with their primary concern. You can see here that there's a big problem. 63% of people are unaware as to how to be informed. So let's just again flag that up onto the overview page so that we know immediately where the real concerns are that we have to address in Gotham. Just typing in the text, and again I think this is a critical issue, so we're going to flag it as a problem, and for the percentage I'll just use a 63%. Right, so just quickly looking at question 3, just perceptions of trends. Just going to leave this, not going to make a comment, and so here we've trickled those with 3 different observations and actions up to the top page.